Hey guys, Funk Roberts here with my amazing cousin, Coach Faye. And today we are gonna Coach Faye is gonna take us through an awesome bodyweight only workout, total workout specifically for women over 40. And this workout, you can do it in the comfort of your own home, bodyweight only, total body to help you burn calories, burn fat, lose weight, get into shape. But if you are a woman over 40 and you want to train with Coach Faye, nutrition, workout support, then click the link anywhere on this page and join our Women of Strength program, absolutely free for 30 days. So join it now and we'll see you in the first workout. Now let's get to this workout. See you soon.
Hey ladies, let's get started. So we're doing 6 exercises, 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds of rest, body weight only. We're gonna do this 3 times, no rest in between. So we're going to go straight through, I guess 18 rounds then. So I hope you're ready. Here we go. Starting with 2-way jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. So up the top and then out to the side. Good. Really squeeze those shoulder blades as you bring those arms back. Nice and light on the toes, protecting the knees, remembering to breathe.
You can also do it this way too.
Yes.
Just step out.
Modified.
Yeah.
Good. Keep it up, we're almost there. Getting that heart rate up. Keep breathing. Awesome. Okay, we're doing another combination exercise. So, nice wide stance with your feet. We're gonna do a sumo squat, then we're gonna do a lunge to one side, lunge to the other side, back into sumo squat.
Sumo squats are great for the adductors, amazing.
Yep.
And the glutes, of course.
And the glutes.
And your legs.
All over, really.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's get into position. Squatting down, lunging, making sure your knee isn't going over your toe. Back to center. Really use those glutes to come in and out of position. So squeezing the glutes. We're driving off of the front leg. Back leg in your lunge, just for support. Keep that chest up. Good. Squeeze, almost there, finish it off.
Nice.
Awesome. Okay, let's take it down to the ground. We're going to do a push-up with a reach. If you feel more comfortable doing a push-up from your knees, by all means try that. I will tell you to challenge yourself. We're gonna do this from our toes. So we have 10 seconds here. From our push-up position, we're just gonna reach forward. That's all. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Push up, reach. Try and keep those hips nice and level. If you're having difficulty keeping your hips level, make sure you're sucking in that belly button, and you can also separate your feet a little bit. It's gonna give you some more stability. Good. All the way down, all the way up. Almost there. Ooh. Yes. Oh, I do not like push-ups, my least favorite. That's why they should be in here though. Okay, on your back, switching it up, moving to the glutes. We're gonna come into a glute bridge position. So heels close to your bum. You're gonna lift up. You're gonna walk your feet out, squeezing your glutes. Walk it back in, and then walking back out again.
Great for the hamstrings.
Yes.
Glutes.
Especially this little space between the top of your hamstring and the bottom of your glutes.
Yeah.
Every woman likes that separation there.
So does every man.
Good. Okay, squeeze those glutes the whole time. They should be burning.
Ooh.
And only walk your feet out as far as you feel comfortable. If that's just a little bit, that's okay. You can work up to the full extension. Good. Lower. Where are we here? Okay. We're gonna flip over, plank. High plank position. So our hands will start right under our shoulders. We're gonna squeeze our lower abs. And all we're gonna do take a couple steps forward with our hands and back in. That's gonna be the whole exercise.
So it's another great exercise for the upper body, for your shoulders. You know, you really want to look nice with your shoulders and so upper body.
Absolutely. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, back in, right under the shoulders, squeezing those abs. Keep your gaze down. We're protecting our neck here, making sure there's a nice straight line from the back of our head all the way down to our heels. Here we go. Whew, I'm feeling this. Awesome. Okay, let's stay down here. We're gonna stay on our stomachs. We're going to do a Superman with a pretend lat pull down.
Yep.
So gaze down. We're pulling our elbows down and back as we squeeze our shoulder blades. So engaging the glutes, engaging the lower back, and then also our shoulders and our backs. How much time? We got a little bit of rest. Let's catch our breath. Here we go. Okay, so squeezing the glutes, drawing those elbows down and back, squeezing the shoulder blades, making sure we're keeping our shoulders away from our ears. So we're just getting shoulders and back here.
Oh yeah.
Keep breathing. Squeeze those glutes. Really good full body here.
Exhale on the way down, inhale on the way up.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's go back to our jumping jacks. That was round 1.
Yeah.
Right into it. So 2-way jumping jacks. Remember, we're squeezing our shoulder blades as we bring those arms back.
Stay on your balls of your feet too, so you're not heavy, and bend the knees slightly. But again, we're trying to burn some calories here. So try to move as quickly as you can.
Yep.
With good form.
Yep. Here we go, we got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Nice and light on the toes. Really controlling those arms. Even though we're not using any weights here, we're using our own resistance. Nice and light on the toes. Keep breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Stand on the balls of your feet, nice and light. And breathe.
Soft knees. Good. Awesome. Okay, so our combo, sumo squat with our alternating lunge. Chest is up the whole time, really thinking about that inner thigh, thinking about using those glutes.
Yeah. And make sure you rotate both feet when you're turning for the lunge.
Yes,
both feet.
really important.
Very important. Because we got to move in different ranges of motions and planes of motion. So it's good that we're doing this rotation as well.
Really important. Here we go. Position, nice wide, toes angled outwards. Sumo squat, rotating both feet. Sumo squat. Whew.
Core
Driving off of that front leg. Sumo squat, rotate, push off of that front leg. Chest is up, thinking about squeezing those glutes the whole time. Right here, squeeze. Chest up, toes rotate all the way. Good. Okay, let's bring it down to the ground. So our push-up with our reach. Again, trying to do this from your toes.
Yes.
If you're not comfortable doing that yet, you can work up to that. So you can do this from your knees as well.
Start on your toes because the goal is to get strength. The only way we're going to get stronger doing push-ups is doing push-ups.
Exactly.
So even if you can only get 2 or 3, that's okay because the next time we do this workout, you're going to get 3 or 4, and then 4 or 5, and then you're going to get strong.
Here we go, into position and reach. Keep those hips nice and level.
Core tight.
Core tight.
For the entire movement.
Pushing through that chest. Push yourself away from the ground.
That's right, perfect.
Good. Engage that core.
Get angry, ladies. Get angry.
Here we go. Almost there.
Good work, good work.
Man, we did it. Okay, let's stay on the ground. Flip over to your back. Bring those heels nice and close to your bum. We're doing our glute bridge with our walkout. Remember, walk out to where you feel comfortable. trying to get to that full extension of your legs.
Again, hamstrings, you know, glute minimus.
Yep, all of it.
Yeah, maximum.
Here we go. So squeeze those glutes. Walking out with your heel. Your butt cheeks should never become unclenched.
Right.
So that's also going to help to protect your lower back,
Yes.
as well as your knees actually, because it's going to stop them from going into hyperextension.
Right.
Keep breathing.
You need to connect your mind to your glutes. So
Yes.
just think about your glutes, even if you have to touch them to turn them on. Sometimes it's really hard.
Good job. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, so flipping over, we're gonna stay on the ground, going into our plank position with our little walkout. So those 2 steps with our hands. What you want to remember here, engaging that core the whole time, and think about using your shoulders too to walk your hands out and in.
And you'll feel these in the triceps too, which is
Yeah.
the wings, you ladies call it. You want to get rid of those wings?
Here we go.
I don't know.
Hands under shoulders to start.
Core tight, keep that core tight, which means clench your glutes. Squeeze those glutes.
Yep. And you don't want your hips swinging back and forth here. You want to keep your hips as still as possible, even though your hands are moving.
Anti-rotation.
Good. Almost there.
Oh.
Ugh. Keep going. Oh, finish it off. Good job. Okay. Let's stay on the ground. We're going to be doing our Superman with our lat pull down.
Yep. I love it, I love it. Shoulder press, lat pull down.
Lat pull down. Okay. So remember, glutes here. You're going to get a little bit of hamstrings. You're going to get lower back. You're going to get upper back. You're going to get shoulders.
Also, ladies, in order to get off the ground, like push your, like have a little bit of a pelvic tilt or push your pelvis into the ground. It'll protect your back, and then you'll feel it. So.
Yep. And thinking about bringing those elbows down and back, almost like you want to tuck them into your back pockets there. So squeezing your shoulder blades, pulling those elbows down and back. Good. Keep your gaze down to protect your neck.
Exhale on the way down, too.
Yes.
Not on the way up. Inhale on the way up.
Good.
Good.
Awesome. Okay. Going back to our jumping jacks here.
Last round.
We're powering through this.
Remember, ladies, click the link below. Grab the, join the Women of Strength program in the description box, or download the ebook. This is the best time right now.
Yes,
to get in
absolutely.
shape. Coach Faye is the best. Nutrition, workouts, and of course support. Coach.
Here we go. So soft knees, light on the toes. Really using your own resistance here. So your own muscles are stopping you. Especially here. Good. Be as quiet as you can. Protecting your knees. Soft knees the whole time. Keep breathing. Get that heart rate up. Last time we're doing this. Good. Awesome. Okay, our combo, sumo squat, lunge. So turning your feet in the direction that you're moving each time.
Make sure when you're doing the lunge, your core's tight, because if you don't, then you're gonna fall side to side.
Yeah.
So keep that core tight throughout the entire
Turn it
movement.
on. Okay, so nice and wide with your feet. Toes are angled out. So your knees are gonna be like tracking over your toes.
I find that I can't go too low here just because I don't have the flexibility.
Yeah. Go to where you feel comfortable and where your body allows.
We want to be safe as we get in shape too. We don't want to be
Absolutely.
injured. So you want to be able to work out for 12 months, because that's how many workouts are in the program, 12 months worth. And you don't want to be injured
No.
as you do it.
Keep that chest up. Think about those glutes working. Think about driving off of that front leg. Good, finish it off.
Good.
Let's go down to our push-up. Oh,
We're getting strong, ladies.
getting stronger.
No one's going to push us around.
Here we go. Okay. So remember, power through this one. This is the last time we have to do push-ups.
Yes.
You got this. And we have 10 more seconds of rest, so
Get
we're
yourself
good.
ready for it.
I have to psych myself out for this one. Okay, here we go, into position. Hands under shoulders, push up, reach. Push up, reach. Good, keep those hips nice and level. Keep your gaze down, protecting your neck.
Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down.
Yes.
It'll help with you getting up.
Good. Power through it. We have one more. Whew. Oh man, that one was tough. Okay, we did.
So tough.
Okay, flip over onto your back. Doing the glutes. So, heels nice and close to your bum to start. Thinking about squeezing those butt cheeks together the whole time. Like it's a windy day and you have a $1,000 bill that you gotta hold there.
Keep that bill between my butts.
Okay, engage that core too, sucking that belly button in to start. Nice deep breath.
You can even drive your
Yes.
elbows into the ground to help just keep you stable and focus on your glutes the entire time.
Hold them if you have to.
Yes, yes.
Yep. Good. Those hamstrings should be feeling this
right.
too. So they might be burning.
Ooh.
Push through it.
The further out you go, the more you feel the hammies.
Yes.
And then squeeze the glutes at the top. And then
Keep
go back.
breathing. Good.
Wow.
We did that one. Okay, flipping over into our plank position, walking our hands out one at a time. So thinking about engaging our core, so we're sucking our belly button back towards our spine the whole time, and also using our shoulders to walk out and in.
Shoulders stable.
How much time do we have here? Okay, we got a few seconds. So hands under the shoulders to start. That's gonna be our starting position.
Keep those fingers wide too.
Wide,
A
yes.
lot of people don't put wide fingers. You want a nice base.
Yes. And feel free to widen up your feet
Yeah.
too.
I know you're tired. Keep going, ladies.
Keep pushing through it. We're almost there.
This is where all the results happen right now
Yep.
in round number 3. And you've made it this far, so keep going.
Keep going.
Ooh.
Good, I'm feeling this. We're almost there. Awesome.
You may be asking, Faye, was that so hard? Why is my chest hurting? Because we did push-ups before.
Yep.
So there's a little bit of a pre-exhaustion happening. So don't get discouraged. It's
Nope.
making you stronger.
Yeah, that's only making you stronger, right? Okay, so Superman position. Remember, glutes, shoulders and back all turned on. We are pushing our pelvis into the ground to help lift our upper body. Got some rest here. This is our last exercise. All you got. Drive those elbows down and back.
This one's really hard for me. My shoulders.
Oh yeah.
Just look straight down though.
Look straight down, yep. This is gonna help with that shoulder mobility too,
Yeah.
especially if you sit at a desk.
Yes.
So this is a great one.
Working the rear delts, the back, which we don't work enough. Typically with no weight.
Yeah. Good, keep breathing through this, ladies.
Good
Awesome.
job.
We did it. That was 18 rounds of work.
Oh, awesome.
Great.
So proud of you ladies. Good job, thank you coach. That was
Job,
amazing. All right, so if you're in the Women of Strength and you're watching this, you know what to do, abs and core. But if you're not, then join the Women of Strength, join Coach Faye, right? It's an amazing program, nutrition, workouts, coaching, everything you need, right?
Yep, everything.
Yeah, so click the link below, either download the ebook or join for free. It's free. It's free for 30 days. You want to lose 5-10 pounds in 30 days? Do you? Then join for free. Coach Faye's gonna hook you up.
Doesn't get any better than that.
Exactly. All right, see you soon. Thanks for being here. We love you. Get it done.